Welcome to San Antonio, Texas, a vibrant community where innovation meets reliability. Here, VoltaGrid introduced a cutting-edge microgrid seamlessly integrated into the landscape. Designed with the community in mind, our microgrid provides reliable power while being a responsible neighbor. Situated close to the local community center and neighborhood, we ensure that our presence is both beneficial and unobtrusive. Advanced emissions control technologies reduce NOx by up to plus 95%, and our oxidation catalysts achieve a plus 93% reduction in organic pollutants. At 30 feet, our microgrid operates at less than 65 decibels, ensuring minimal noise impact. Just across the street, the noise level drops even further to 51 decibels, blending seamlessly into the peaceful neighborhood. Using advanced heat management technologies, our microgrids employ a closed-loop cooling system that requires no water from municipalities or local wells. Employing state-of-the-art reciprocating generators, we achieve an impressive heat rate of 7.9 MMBTU per megawatt hour, optimizing efficiency and cost-effectiveness. By choosing clean natural gas, we not only achieve reliable, continuous energy, but also eliminate the need for batteries in our overall plant design. Batteries are costly, require frequent replacements, and can pose environmental risks in the event of a fire. This streamlined approach not only reduces long-term costs, but also minimizes our environmental footprint. With careful design, we ensure minimal light pollution, maintaining the beauty of the surroundings. That's VoltaGrid, powering innovation 1 kilowatt at a time.